Hello friends, welcome to Roy Tech Blog. Today we will see how to create drill-through report in SSRS. Before that we need to understand what exactly drill-through report is. Drill-through report is a report a user opens by clicking a link within another report. Drill-through report commonly contain details about an item that is contained in an original summary report. Okay, if you see here, it is the original summary report and the links are present here. The data in the drill through report is not retrieved until user clicks on the link. If you see here particular product name, the details of that particular product is there, like sales amount, total product cost, tax amount. Until we click, if you click on this, you will see the details of that product name, like sales amount. It is got splitted into different sales order number, total product cost, tax amount, and sales territory country. We can see all the details about particular product name. Similarly, if we click on another product name, we will find it got splitted or details of that product name. So let's start with designing this report. So drill through report generally we design from the backward. Like first we need to design the details report, then we'll go to the summary report. So let's create a report. Let's name it details drill through. For this that product name, if you saw that we need to pass the product name to the another details report. From the main report, product name will pass to the details report. So details report should have the parameter which will accept that product name. So we'll give here parameter name as a product name, prompt product. Okay, I missed the product name, and this the details report we don't want to see this parameter visible to the user, so let's make it hidden. So other you left as it is. Click OK, then click on the data source. This is I'm using AdventureWorks DW 2017. So DS AdventureWorks DW. I use this here data source. Click OK. Now we will add the dataset here. Dataset will be DS. Let's name it details. Text. For the text, I have already written the details of that. It is a simple SQL script which will display all the product name, sales order from the from factory internal sales table. Directly it is a select script and we are fetching based on the product name. This product name will come as a parameter. Product name, same product name I have used here. Which are the parameter you will give here? Same parameter you need to mention here. You can see here parameter product name. Click OK. Now we'll design the table. Let sales order number, sales amount, total product cost, tax amount. Okay, it can let's change the background color, let it be blue, bold, and we'll change the color here. We'll add a text box here. That name is something like product details with something. Will give some color here. Okay, so little bit expand the column names. Okay, now our details report is design is ready with all the required column names and parameters. Now we will design the main report. So add another report. You will see here main drill through report. Here parameter is not required because we are passing the column name to the next report. So we'll add the data source ds, and you can give name elements. Now we'll add one data set here. So I have also kept ready the data set. What this data set is doing, this is the summation product name, and I just make a group by of this sales amount, product cost, and tax amount. This detailed report we will see in the detailed report. Let me paste it. All the fields values are coming correctly. Now insert one table here, product name, sales amount, cost, let me background color something is okay. Let me expand it. Let add one header, something like summary report. Change background to something. Okay, now here is the tricks, like go to the text box in action, drill through report, it will go to the report, and we need to select the report name. So here we will select the details drill through report. So we need to pass the value here. This is left side will show the receiving parameter name. Here it is the product name is the parameter name from the details report. Value will be the product name. On the based on the product name, it will show you all the details. Click on the OK. So if you see here, hyperlink is coming. To make it completely distinguished from other reports, just change the color of this, something like this. Okay, this is bit light color. So if you see here now, okay, you can see here it is going to the next report, but we need to show the product name here also. So we need to make a small change here. Okay, we'll add a group here, parent group by product name. Just delete this column, delete column only. Here we'll insert row. Here we'll select outside group above. Okay. More cell, like product name, create a placeholder. Product name, select the product name here. Make it some bold. You give some color like blue, dark blue. Okay, now save it. Now again we run this. Okay, you can see the product name is displaying correctly here. You can see for another one. Okay, these values are displaying correctly. So this way you can design your own report. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop me in the comment box.